What is up, guys? Back for another quick video on the Indian Scout Bobber. Today we have the Indian Comfort Seat. So I am super excited about this mod. It is something that I've been wanting since I bought the bike. Basically, as I've stated in other videos, this is my first bike. I've never had a motorcycle before, so I didn't know exactly what to look for. The primary reason that I got the Indian is because I just loved the way it looked and loved the way it sounded. I thought that it would fit my style. So with that being said, some of the research that I did do on the bike, you'd see a lot of common complaints that the factory seat is very uncomfortable. It's very under padded from the factory, and when you're giving it a lot of throttle, you can slide off the back of the bike. So I've put a few hundred miles on it since I've gotten it. And the biggest thing is I am not a fan of the brown. I never have been. Depending on the color bike you have, it can look better. But being that I am going for that all black look and the bike is all matte black, I just feel that the seat pops out too much in a bad way. So initially my plan was to get the stock Indian Scout Bobber 60 all black seat, because I actually really do like the factory seat as far as cosmetics go. I think it really fits the bike well. I like the stitching, the design, the pattern. I think it's a total badass seat, and I really like it. But after riding on it for even just 5 to 10 minutes, you really can feel that it is very under padded and it does not give you a very good cushion, and it is uncomfortable, especially being that the suspension is stiff. Also, with that being said, if you give it at least half throttle, you're basically sliding off the back and you're holding onto the handlebars for dear life. So that really wasn't a pro for it either. So doing some further research, I have found the factory Indian Comfort Seat, which I have here. So I was able to get the one in black, which seems to be pretty hard to find. I bought it used off of the Indian Facebook page and got a killer deal on it, paid about 150 bucks for it. So I was more than happy to get it. I had looked at some Corbins and some Mustangs, but for what I paid for this and to retain the Indian logo, I'm super happy with it. So I just put some leather conditioner all over her. So she's nice and shiny, smells good, and is in great shape. So now we're gonna pop this one off. It's super easy install. All you do is grab right here, give it a firm pull up. There you go. And you'll see it pops right off. So the only thing you want to do is just pull out your multi-tool that they have here, your screwdriver Allen key, pull that off. There is a holder for it right here, so you can transition it right to the comfort seat, throw that in, and then you're good to get the new seat installed. So let's see what it'll look like. There we go. All right, so she's on. And there you have it. I think the black fits the bike so much better. It definitely is a little bit bigger looking, not necessarily that I am a fan of that part of it, but I do like how it still looks factory, and I really like that it's all black now. I think it totally changes the appearance on the bike and the look that I'm going for. So you can see here's the stock seat. The brown to me just wasn't working. So you can see it is smaller for sure. Doesn't ride up as high. And the side bolstering you can see is a big difference. So here's how it looks from the back. So a little bit beefier than the stock seat, but overall looks, I think, a lot better, especially being in all black, and really fits the bike well. So I did sit on it before. Obviously we're in the winter now, so I'm not gonna be able to ride on it, but I will be sure to do a follow-up video in the next few months once I put some miles on it. But just from sitting on it, you could totally feel the difference in cushion just while sitting on the bike. So it's definitely worth it, and I will be sure to do a follow-up video. So let me know what you guys think. New headlight going in will be one of the next videos. Have to get that all installed. It's just been so cold. So stay tuned for that, and let me know what you guys think.